Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can get up to $100,000 line of credit for your business. We're going to talk about how to get into this credit union, as well as other data points that you need to know before you get a membership. So keep watching so that you get all of the information, and also make sure to like this video and share this video with someone who needs this information, as well as subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon and then click on all notifications to receive all notifications on when I release new videos about all things finance on the business and personal side. Also, if you need help with getting business credit and financing, we have a software and system that is proven to get results for business owners, whether you are a startup or an existing company. We can help you get approved for business credit and financing. We have a comprehensive system that gives a lot of information as far as the underwriting requirements, lender compliance. We give you bank information. So, underwriting requirements for some of the top business credit cards, as well as EIN only business credit accounts. We also help you with getting additional types of funding, such as term loans, SBA loans, fix and flip loans, commercial real estate loans, bank issued lines of credit, and more. This system also comes with 12 months of coaching. You learn how to optimize your business and credit reports to be able to get approved for all types of business financing. We do some of that financing for you. You also get access to 4 exclusive bonuses if you decide to get started today. This is on sale for 50% off until October 2nd. Previously, we had the sale released to our email list that was originally supposed to be over yesterday, but we are extending it to October 2nd. So you have until October 2nd to save 50% off. A link will be down in the description box and in the pinned comments. So the credit union that we're going to talk about today is Boeing Employees Credit Union. So this credit union is actually one of the top credit unions in the nation. Anyone can join this credit union, but it's a specific way that you're going to be able to join if you are in other states besides Washington and the other main states that they are located in. So for the business side, you're going to be able to become a member and get a business membership if you are operating out of Washington, Oregon, or Idaho. Now, if you're not operating out of these states, you can also be affiliated with the Boeing Company occupational groups, enterprises, and organizations, subsidiaries, affiliates currently or previously owned or operated in whole or in part of the Boeing Company. Now, if you don't meet the affiliation or the location requirements, then you'll join through one of the partners listed below. So the easiest one to join through is the Go West Foundations. So you will be eligible after you become a member, or what they call a friend of the organization. Now, in order to get started, of course, you're going to need your business membership application completed with your personal identification, your EIN, your UBI number, and then your NAICS code. Now, if you do not live near a branch, you would have to make an appointment online. So you would just select open new business account, and then you'll do the video call. So they'll send you a video call link. So what's great about this credit union is that you can do video banking. So if you are not near one of their locations, you can do video banking, like I just showed you before, for the new accounts, but you can also do it for loans, mortgages, and other account inquiries. Of course, when you do that, you're going to have to verify your information. So that's just another cool feature of this credit union. Now, the main thing is that you probably need to be aware that they may check credit systems. Now, they may check systems when setting up your checking account. If you do a personal checking account, they may also do it when you do a business checking account. So they may run your personal information through check systems. For the business funding products, they have business credit cards, as well as lines of credit, term loans, vehicle loans, and commercial real estate loans. But for this video, we're going to talk about their line of credit, because people either love to get credit cards or lines of credit for their businesses because they are revolving and you can continue to use them once you pay them down. So for the line of credit, you can get up to 100,000. So you can get a minimum of 2,500. And so they have two different tiers. So that first tier is going to be a minimum of 2,500 up to 10,000, and that APR is going to start off with 10.75%. Then they also have the other tier that goes from 10,000 to 100,000 that starts off at 10.35% APR. So the features of this particular line of credit is that you don't have any interest charges until you draw on the line of credit. And of course, they have low rates. This is one of the lower rates that I've seen for business lines of credit at the time of recording this video. And also, there are no origination fees. They do have secured and unsecured options. And then you get NSF overdraft protection. So they also may pull TransUnion on your personal credit to approve you for one of these business credit products. Now, they could also pull other bureaus as well, but they mainly pull TransUnion, as well as on the personal side, they will also pull TransUnion. Now, on the personal side, they do have all of these standard lending products on the personal side, such as mortgages, vehicle loans, personal loans, home equity lines of credit. You can get VA loans, FHA loans, construction loans, refinance loans, and then they also have special programs such as the first time home buyers grant. And you also may be able to get multiple products on the personal side with one inquiry. You also may be able to use that inquiry to get multiple products on the business side as well. So you may be able to get a personal loan and a business line of credit with just one inquiry. So their personal loan rates are starting off at 8.99%, and that was effective 9/13/2023. That is subject to change at any time. Their personal lines of credit start off at 10%, 10 points to be exact, as of 9/13/2023. So this is a great credit union to join. They have multiple loan products on the business and personal side. They have different features such as video banking, so you do not have to be in Washington, Idaho, or in Oregon. You can join through one of their partners. So if you found this video valuable, make sure that you share this with someone. Make sure that you like this video. Also subscribe. Hit the bell icon and click on all notifications to receive all notifications on my videos that talk about personal and business finance. And if you are looking to learn how to get business credit and financing for your company, if you have started your business, even if you have not started your business, we are still here to help you because we can help you start your business and get funding